Good afternoon. Well, Thursday was a much better session for local shares. In fact, the ASX 200 was up 27 points or almost 0.5% and closed back above 6,000 points. This was just the third time in 11 days that the market managed to finish higher, and it had a lot to do with concerns about the political crisis in Italy dying down, at least for now. There is absolutely a risk, though, that this could come back to life in the coming days and weeks and could certainly still be a weight on the Aussie market. But at least for now, it seems that the Italian president is doing all he can to prevent the need for fresh elections in the coming months and to form a government. So that seemed to help the US dollar fall, commodity prices lift, the US market jumped, and also we had some solid economic news on China at around lunchtime as well. So all these things helped. We had mining and energy stocks, which have been the most unloved part of the market in recent weeks, doing best. Fortescue Metals, the standout in the mining space, up 2.5%, and Santos, the best of the energy stocks, up in the order of 3.5%. Also, Westfield no longer traded on the Australian share market in its prior form. Yesterday was its last day of trade. This is following a takeover from Unibail-Rodamco, a European property giant. Instead, in large part, eligible investors will receive a mix of cash, also some Unibail-Rodamco Westfield shares, which have a code of URW, and also one market OMN shares as well. Both of these made the ASX debut today, and there is a helpful calculator on the Westfield investor website, which does help you with the conversion process. Accounting software group MYOB and also Reckon both slumped today. MYOB essentially said it's walking away from a takeover because of a long and arduous regulatory process. Amazon today said it's no longer going to ship from its websites overseas to Australia, and it's blamed that squarely on changes to the GST, which will start off at the start of July. So Harvey Norman, JB Hi-Fi, Kogan.com rose. Tonight, busy session in the US. We've got a Fed official delivering a talk. We've got weekly crude oil inventories. We've got housing data, and in Europe, an unemployment update as well. The Aussie dollar finally stronger at 75.6 US.